Journal is the book of original entry or prime entry. It is the first step in the accounting cycle. It is prepared on the basis of double entry system. Then journal is a date-wise record of all the transactions. For preparing the journal, we should have date column, particulars column, LF column, debit column and credit columns. Today I am going to teach you about the journal entries. For preparing the journal entries, you have to know about the accounting rules. See here, for personal account, what's the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. And for real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. The nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Personal account is divided into three. They are natural persons, artificial persons and representative persons. Now we can see one by one. Natural persons means there is Raja, Rama, any names. All the names will come under natural person. Then artificial persons means RBI, SBI, then IOB, like that. Some institution names and all come under artificial person. Then representative person means there is outstanding salary, prepaid expenses, like that. Some items will come under representative persons. So personal account means always all the names will come. That's all. Okay, then real account. Here also real account, all assets will come. Assets means cash, machinery, furniture, building, goods, like that. What are the assets coming inside means we have to debit it. Then what are the assets, that is these are the assets, are going out means we have to credit that one. What is the rule? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Okay, then nominal account. For nominal account, that is all the expenses and losses should be debited. Then incomes and gains should be credited. Example, rent paid, salary paid, then commission paid, so many expenses, electricity paid, like that. Then received, that is incomes means commission received. Then what are the items we will receive? Sometimes rent also we can receive. So what and all received will come under nominal account. What expenses we paid for, that will come under nominal account. Okay. Now we can see how to prepare the journal entries. On 1st April 2016, business started. Rupees 1 lakh is given. That is, the person Somu has started business with 1 lakh rupees. For this one, we have to prepare the journal. First, we have to write the journal of, that is journal of Mr. Somu, because Somu is the owner, so we have to given the heading as journal of Mr. Somu. Then some headings, that is for the columns and all we have to write some headings. That is, this is the date column, then this is the particulars column, then this one is the ledger folio, that is LF column. Ledger folio means the page number of the ledger. Okay, then this is the debit column. Then next one is the credit column. Okay, now we can prepare the journal. See here, what is the first transaction? Business started rupees 1 lakh. That means the business started with rupees 1 lakh as capital. Here we have to write first the year 2016. Then what's the month? 4th April. So April, what's the date? First date. So we have to write it. Then we can prepare the journal. Business is separated from the owner. So we received cash. We are the accountant. We are preparing the accounts and all. Then owner has given the money to the business. So we received money from the owner. So we have to debit the cash. So for that one, we have to write cash account debtor. For debtor, here we have to write last. Cash account debtor to capital account. Capital is a personal account. What's the rule for personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. That is, the owner is the giver. So we are crediting the capital account. Cash is coming inside, so we are debiting as per real account. Capital is the personal account. Owner is the giver, so we are crediting the capital account. So under the debit column, we have to write 1 lakh. Then capital also same amount. So debit is 1 lakh means credit should be 1 lakh. 1 lakh. After completing the journal, we have to write one narration. Narration means short information about the journal. You have to write like this. Business started. That's all. One journal over. 3rd April 2016. Goods purchased from Raju, rupees 50,000. What's the date? 3rd. So 3rd. We have to write. Then what's the journal entry? As per real account, debit what comes in. So purchase account should be debited. So purchase account debtor to Raju, because Raju is the giver. It's a personal account. So we have to credit the Raju account. What's the amount? 50,000. So under the debit column, 50,000. Under the credit column also 50,000. Okay, what is the narration here? Purchased goods from Raju, because this is a credit transaction. What is narration? Narration means short information about the journal. Then next transaction we can see. 4th April 2016. What happened? Stationery purchased rupees 2,000. This is also purchase, but only for goods we are giving the name purchase. For stationery purchase means we have to give the name stationery only. Why? In order to differentiate the accounts and all, we are giving different names. For the goods only, we are giving the names purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, and stock. As per real account, debit what comes in. Here stationery is coming inside the business. So stationery account should be debited. Now we can write the journal entry. What is the date? 4th April. So now we can write 4. Stationery. Because we received the stationery. Debit what comes in. As per the real account, we are debiting stationery account. So debtor. 2. Cash is going out. So as per real account, credit what goes out. So we have to write cash account. Under the debit, we have to write 2,000. Like that, under the credit also we have to write 2,000. Okay. Then we have to write the narration. Stationery purchased. See the next transaction. What is given? 5th. That is 5th April 2016. Open a bank account in IOB rupees 30,000. So who is the receiver? Banker is the receiver. So bank account should be debited and cash account should be credited. Okay, now we can prepare the journal. 5th April. So 5th we can write it. Bank account debtor. Debtor to cash account, because we are sending the money. Money is going out. As per real account, credit what goes out. So cash account we are crediting. Then what is the amount? 30,000. So under the debit column 30,000 we have to write. Then under the credit column also we have to write 30,000. Then we have to write the narration. Narration means, already I told, it's a short information about the journal entry. So here what we have to write? In the question what is given, the same sentence you can write. Open a bank account in IOB. Opened. Maximum in past tense you have to write. Opened a bank account in the IOB. 6th April 2016, sold goods to Praveena, rupees 15,000. We can prepare the journal. Praveena account should be debited because Praveena is receiving the goods from our business. So Praveena account should be debited. It is a credit transaction because we didn't receive any money from Praveena, but we sold goods. So it is a credit transaction. Then 2, sales. Why we are crediting the sales account? Because goods are going out. As per real account, credit what goes out. So what is the amount? That is 15,000. So debit 15,000 and credit also 15,000. Okay, now we have to write the narration. What's the narration? Sold goods to Praveena. It's a credit transaction. So we have to write the name also in the narration. Sold goods to Praveena. Now we can go to the next transaction. Then what is the date? 8th April. Sold goods rupees 1,000. For that one we have to prepare the journal. Okay, 8th April. So we have to write 8 here. Then sold goods rupees 1,000. That means it is a cash transaction. Here see, goods are going out, cash is coming inside. As per real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash is coming inside. So cash account should be debited. Cash account should be debited. So DR. Then 2, sales account. Sales account means that is goods are going out. That's an asset. Asset is going out. So we are crediting sales. What is the amount? 1,000 only. So we have to write 1,000 under the debit column as well as under the credit column. That is always debit should be equal to credit. Now we can write the narration. What is the narration here? We have to write the narration now. What is the narration? Sold goods. Sold goods. That's all. Next transaction is, that is Praveena. What date? 10th April 2016. Praveena settled her account. Amount is given as 14,500. Okay. Then before that we have to see all the items from Praveena. What transaction is there? See here. On 6th April, sold goods to Praveena for 15,000. In this transaction we didn't receive any money from Praveena. That is, that lady, now she is giving the money. How much? Only 14,500 she is giving. We sold goods for rupees 15,000. But we are receiving only 14,500. That means we gave 500 as discount. So we have to prepare the journal entry for this one. What is the date? 10th April. So we have to write 10 here. As per real account, debit what comes in. So cash account should be debited. Cash account should be debited. So DR, short form we are writing DR. Then amount, what is the amount? Only 14,500 we received. 14,500 we received. Then we gave discount rupees 500 because we sold goods to Praveena 15,000. Now we received only 14,500. That means we gave discount. As per nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. So discount is also a expense to the business. So that should be debited. So discount account should be debited. So for this one also we have to write DR. Okay, what's the amount? 500. Now the total is 15,000. So credit, what name we have to give? That is Praveena account, already in debit. So we are giving credit means that account will be cancelled. So Praveena account to Praveena account. So what is the amount? 15,000. Already I told, that is every debit that should be a credit. That is in double entry system, for every debit that should be a credit. So see here, 14,500 plus 500, 15,000. Here also 15,000. So it is equal. Debit and credit is equal. So now we can write the narration. What is the narration? Praveena settled her account and received discount. Okay, now we can go to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? 12th April 2016, goods purchased rupees 30,000. That is goods purchased for rupees 30,000. So here we received goods. So as per real account, debit what comes in? Coming inside goods means we are giving the name purchase. So purchase account should be debited and cash account should be credited. Here no name is mentioned. We paid the cash at the same time. So here purchase account debtor to cash account. Now we can prepare the journal. Okay. What is the date? In a new page you are writing means first you write the year also. 2016 April 12. That is purchase account debtor to cash account, because goods are coming inside, cash is going out. Okay, what is the amount? 30,000. So debit also 30,000, credit also 30,000. Narration: purchased goods, because no name is there. So purchased goods, that's enough. This is a cash transaction. So without mentioning any names and all, we can complete. Okay, now we can go to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? 13th April 2016, paid rent rupees 5,000. So here see, cash is going out. So cash is credit. As per real account, credit what goes out. So cash is credit. What should be debited? As per nominal account, all the expenses should be debited. So rent account should be debited. So entry is rent account debtor to cash account. Now we can prepare the journal. What is the date? 13. So rent account debtor, because it's a nominal account. So this rent is a expense, so we are debiting. Then to cash, because we are paying money to somebody else. So cash is going out. As per real account, credit what goes out. So we are writing what is the amount? 5,000. So under debit also 5,000, under credit also 5,000. Always debit should be equal to credit. Narration. What is the narration? Just write rent paid. That's enough. Rent paid. That's all. Now we can go to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? 15th April 2016. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Rupees 6,000. From the business, you are the accountant of the institution. You are giving money to the owner. So cash is going out. So as per real account, credit what goes out. So cash account should be credited. Drawing account should be debited. Now we can prepare the journal. What is the date? 15th April. So 15. Then what we have to write? Drawings. Drawings is a personal account. Because the owner is the receiver. So we are debiting the drawing account. As per personal account, what is the rule? Debit the receiver. So drawing account is debited. Then 2. Cash account. Why we are crediting cash account? Because it is a real account. Cash is going out from the business. Owner is taking the money from the business. So we are crediting the cash account. Here we have to write the amount. What is the amount? 6,000. So we have to write the 6,000 under debit as well as under the credit. Always debit should be equal to credit. Then we have to write the narration. Withdrew money for personal use. That's all. What is the next transaction? 18th April 2016. Commission received rupees 1,000. So we received commission. So cash is coming inside. So cash account should be debited. Then which account should be credited? Commission is a nominal account. So all the income should be credited. So cash account debtor to commission account. This is the journal entry. Now we can write the journal entry. What is the date? 18th. So we received commission. So cash we received. Cash account debtor to commission account. Because commission is a income as per nominal account. Credit all incomes and gain. So commission account should be credited. Then what is the amount? 1,000. So under debit column 1,000. Under credit column also 1,000. Then narration we have to write. What is the narration? Commission received. That's enough. Commission received. Now we can go to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? 19th April 2016. Goods returned to Raju rupees 4,000. That means we purchased some goods from Raju before some dates. We have to see that one. Which date we purchased goods from Raju? See here. That is 3rd April 2016. We purchased goods from Raju rupees 50,000. In that goods, some goods are damaged condition. Some goods are in damaged condition. That's why we are returning the goods to Raju. How much? 4,000 we returned. So for this one, what is the journal entry? Raju is a personal account. He is the receiver. So Raju account should be debited. As per personal account, debit the receiver. So Raju account should be debited. What is going out? Goods are going out. When the damaged goods are going out, for the goods we are giving the name purchase return, because already we purchased. Now we are returning the goods to the person from whom we purchased. So Raju is the receiver. Raju account debtor to purchase return account. Now we can write the journal entry. Okay, what is the date? 19th. So we have to write the 19th date. Then who is the receiver? Raju is the receiver. So Raju account debtor to purchase return, because goods are going out. So purchase return account. Goods are going out as per real account. Credit what goes out. So damaged goods we are sending means we are giving the name purchase return. Or return outwards. Other name for purchase return is return outwards. Here we can write return outwards or purchase return. So Raj account is a personal account. We are debiting because he is the receiver. Purchase account is a real account. Goods are going out. So we are crediting. Okay. What's the amount? 4,000. So 4,000 under the debit as well as under the credit. 4,000. So narration. Return goods to Raju. That's it. Now we can go to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? 20th April 2016. Sold goods to Sita rupees 12,000. 820. So Sita account should be debited because Sita account is a personal account. She is the receiver, so we are debiting Sita account. Then to sales account, because goods are going out from the business, so we are crediting the sales account. Then narration we have to write. What is the narration? Sold goods to Sita. Amount, what's the amount? 12,000. So 12,000 we have to write. Okay, we can go to the next transaction. See here, 21st April 2016, goods returned from Sita rupees 1,000. That is damaged goods we are receiving means that are called as sales return or return inwards. So we have to debit the sales return account and credit the Sita account. Now we can write the journal entry. What's the date? 21st. That is Sita returned goods. So we received the goods. So sales return account debtor to, who is the giver? Sita is the giver. So to Sita account. What's the narration? Return goods by Sita. Okay, then what is the amount? 1,000. So okay, we can go to the next transaction. See here, 22nd April 2016, salary paid by check rupees 10,000. So salary paid means salary is a nominal account. So salary account should be debited. As per nominal account, all the expenses should be debited. So salary account should be debited. Then which account should be credited? If we are paying the cash means we can credit the cash. But here by check we paid. So through the bank we pay, so bank account should be credited. That's salary account debtor to bank account. What is the date? 22nd. 22nd. Salary paid by check. So salary account debtor. Salary account debtor to bank account. So under the debit 10,000, under the credit also 10,000. Narration. What narration we have to write? Salary paid by check. Okay, now we can go to the next transaction. See here, 24th April 2016, purchased furniture rupees 10,000. Purchased goods means only we have to give the name purchase account. If we purchase furniture, stationery, machinery, building and all other assets and all, assets name should be debited. So here furniture account should be debited. That is only for goods only we have to give the name purchase account. As per real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Furniture is coming inside, cash is going out. So furniture account debtor to cash account. Now we can write the journal. Date 24th. So 24th. What we purchased? Furniture. So furniture account should be debited. Then 2 we are paying cash. So cash account should be credited. Narration. Furniture purchased. Okay, what is the amount? 10,000. So under the debit 10,000, under the credit also 10,000. Okay, now we can go to the next transaction. 25th April 2016, goods costing rupees 5,000 given as charity. So charity account should be debited, purchase account should be credited. Now we can write the journal entry. So charity account should be debited. Then which account should be credited? Purchase account should be credited because it will reduce the purchased goods value. What's the narration? Goods given as charity. Okay, what's the amount? 5,000. So under debit 5,000 we have to write. Under credit also 5,000 we have to write. Now we can go to the next transaction. See here, 28th April 2016, Sita settled her account. 10,000 is given. We sold goods to Sita 12,000. She has returned 1,000 worth goods to us. So 12,000 minus 1,000, 11,000. Now she has settled her account by paying 10,000 only. That means we have given 1,000 rupees as discount. This is a expense to the business. As per nominal account, the discount account should be debited. Okay, so now we can write the journal entry. Okay, what is the date? 28th. So cash account debtor, cash account debtor. Like that, discount account also debtor because this is a expense. As per nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. So discount account debtor. We received only, how much we received? That is 10,000 only we received. Discount, so 1,000 rupees. Then totally to to Sita account. Sita account. How much we have to write? 11,000 we have to write. So what is the narration? Sita settled her account and received discount. That's all. Now go to the next transaction. 27th April 2016, amount withdrawn from bank for personal use, rupees 7,000. Here amount withdrawn from the bank for personal use. So always withdrawn money by the owner means we have to debit the drawings account. But here from the bank he has given. So banker is the giver. So we have to give credit to the bank account. So drawings account debtor to bank account. What's the date? 28. What we have to write? Drawings account debtor to bank. Banker is the giver. So if we that person has taken the money from the business directly means we can give credit to cash. But from the bank he has taken. So bank account should be credited. That's all. That's a slight difference. Then narration. Withdrew money for personal use from the bank. Okay. What's the amount? 7,000. So under debit column also 7,000. Under credit column also 7,000. That's all. Now we can go to the next transaction. What is the next transaction? 28th April 2016. Amount withdrawn from bank rupees 5,000. That is, before that we have prepared, that is, that owner has taken the money for personal use. This one is for office use. We have taken the money from the bank. So we received cash. Cash account debtor. Who is the giver? Banker is the giver. So bank account should be credited. So cash account debtor to bank account. What's the date? 28th only. So we have taken the money from the bank. So cash account debtor, because we are receiving the cash. Cash account debtor and banker is the giver. So bank account credit. Okay. Then narration. Amount withdrew from bank for office use. Okay, what is the amount? 5,000. So you have to write 5,000 under debit column as well as in the credit column. Always debit should be equal to the credit. Now we can go to the next transaction. See here, date 28th. In the institutions and all, the same date, so many transactions will be there. So we have to prepare the journal entries here. They purchased a plant and machinery. So plant and machinery account should be debited. Say asset. As per real account, debit what comes in. So plant and machinery is coming inside to the business. So plant and machinery account should be debited. Then 2, cash account, because we paid some amount of cash to Vimala. So to Vimala. Vimala is the giver. So we are crediting. So cash is a real account. It is going out. So we are crediting. Vimala is a personal account. She is the giver. So we are crediting. Plant and machinery is a real account. It is coming inside, so we are debiting. That's all. So what's the value? Plant and machinery value 30,000. Then we paid only 6,000. Remaining amount we have to pay in future. So 24,000 under Vimala. So see here 30,000 debit side, 30,000 credit side. Always debit should be equal to credit. So this entry is correct. Then narration we have to write. What narration? Plant and machinery purchase. That's all. Plant and machinery purchased. Okay. Then we can go to the next transaction. 29th April 2016 bought goods from Renuka rupees 25,000, but only 5,000 paid to her. Purchase account 25,000, to Renuka account 20,000, to cash account 5,000. Like that the entry will be. Now we can write that journal entry. What's the date? 29th. So 29th. What happened? Purchased goods from Renuka. So purchase account debtor. Then what we have to write? To Renuka. From Renuka only we purchased. To Renuka account. Then how much we paid? Some amount we have paid. So cash account should be credited. What's the narration? Purchased goods. Goods from Renuka. Okay, what's the amount? Purchased goods for rupees 25,000. So 25,000 here. Then we paid 5,000. So 5,000 here. Then how much we have to pay? We have to pay 20,000. So near Renuka we have to write 20,000. Understood? Now we can go to the next transaction. See here, 30th April 2016, commission paid rupees 2,000, salary paid rupees 5,000, electricity charges paid rupees 10,000. So we have to write the year first. 2016 April 30. What's the journal entry? It's a compound journal entry. So we have to write all the items. Commission account debtor. Then what is given? Salary account also debit, so debtor. Then what is given? Electricity charges. Electricity charges account also debtor, so debit. Then 2. For these expenses and all we are paying cash. So cash account should be credited. Narration, commission, salary and EB bill paid. E-bill means that is electricity bill paid. So this is a transaction. Then what is the amount? 2,000, then 5,000, then EB bill 10,000. So totally cash we paid 17,000. That is 2,000 plus 5,000, 7,000 plus 10,000, 17,000. That's all. This transaction over. The next transaction is purchase goods from Meena for rupees 28,000. on 29th April 2016. For this one we can prepare the journal. What is the date? 29th April. So we have to write 29 here. Then we have to write purchase account, debtor to Meena account. What's the narration? Purchase goods from Meena. Okay, what's the amount? 28,000. So we have to write both the columns 28,000. Then we can go to the next transaction. 29th/4/2016 return goods to Meena rupees 2,000. For this one we can prepare the journal entry. On the same date we return the goods to Meena. Meena account, debtor to purchase return. Purchase return account. So narration, return goods to Meena. What's the amount? 2,000. So we have to write debit column also 2,000, credit column also 2,000. Here Meena is the receiver, that's why we are debiting Meena, and purchase return always credit only because goods are going out. As per real account, that is credit what goes out. Here goods are going out to Meena. That's why we are crediting the purchase return account. Okay, now we can go to the next transaction. 30 April 2016, Meena account settled. Rupees 25,500. For this one we have to prepare the journal entry. What's the date? 30th April. So we have to write 30. Then we have settled the Meena's account. So we paid cash to Meena. Meena is the receiver. So Meena account should be debited. So to cash account 25,500. Then for Meena 26,000. We paid only 25,500 because she has given discount. 500 rupees as discount. So discount account should be credited. How much amount? 500. So now we can write the narration. What's the narration? Meena account settled. That's all. Okay, now we can go to the next transaction. Mr. Peter started business with cash rupees 5 lakh, building rupees 20 lakhs, stock rupees 50,000, machinery rupees 25,000, debtors rupees 15,000 and creditors rupees 30,000. So all the assets should be debited. That's all. So cash account, in here also cash account should be debited because he has brought cash also. Cash account debtor. Then what he has taken and come? Then building account. Building account debtor. Then machinery account debtor. Then stock account debtor. Then some debtors also there. Debtors also the assets of the business. In future we can claim the money from that persons. So this is also one of the assets. So all the assets should be debited. Why? As per real account, debit what comes in. So all the assets are coming inside the business. So we are debiting all the assets. Then what should be credited? To creditors. That is, in future we have to pay the money to the creditors. So creditors account should be credited. Then to capital account. That is, all the assets, if you are adding, means you will get some amount. From that amount you have to reduce the creditors. Then we will get the capital amount. This is called as opening entry. Capital account. Now we can, that is narration, what we can write? Opening entry paused. Opening entry paused. Or what we can write? That is, owner started the business with cash, building, machinery, stock and debtors. Okay, what are the amount? Cash 5 lakh. In the debit you have to write 5 lakhs. Then building 20 lakhs. Then machinery 25,000. Stock how much? 50,000. Then debtors how much? 15,000. So we have to write. Then creditors how much? 30,000. So under the credit column 30,000 you have to write. Then we have to add all the amount. What's the amount? Total 3,40,000 is the assets. These are assets. Then creditors how much? 30,000. So we have to reduce 30,000. 3,10,000 is the capital. 3,10,000 is the capital. This is the opening journal entry. Then in the next video I will give the ledger, that is preparation of ledger. In the next video I will give. Okay, thank you.